In today's video, we're reviewing one of the fastest growing AI marketing tools, CodeDesignAI, and breaking down whether it's the best choice for agencies and creative teams. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been searching for a platform that helps you build websites, run campaigns, and design marketing materials faster using AI, you've probably heard of CodeDesignAI by now. But the question is, does it actually live up to the hype, or is it just another AI assistant with fancy branding? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what CodeDesignAI does, who it's best for, and whether it's worth investing in this year. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics. What exactly is CodeDesignAI? It's essentially an AI-powered marketing and web design platform built specifically for agencies, freelancers, and small businesses who want to create digital assets faster without needing to write code or hire extra designers. At its core, it combines website creation, campaign design, SEO optimization, and AI-driven content all inside one dashboard. The goal is to help agencies cut down on repetitive design so they can focus on strategy and client results. It's like having a creative director, copywriter, and web developer all working alongside you 24/7, but without the overhead. Now, let's talk about the key features that really make this such a strong tool. Number one is the AI website builder. The AI website builder is what most people know CodeDesignAI for. You can start with a simple prompt like create a landing page for a marketing agency that focuses on lead generation. And within minutes, it generates a full website layout with copy, design blocks, and images. It feels a bit like working with Wix or Webflow, but honestly, just much smarter automation. You can still tweak everything manually, the colors, layout, fonts, sections, and everything in between, but the AI gives you such a strong head start. So this feature is especially helpful for agencies building multiple sites per month. Number two is brand and content generator. So CodeDesign doesn't just stop at web design, it also can help you create brand assets. You can enter your brand tone, mission, and target audience, and the AI will generate everything from logo ideas to taglines and tone of voice guidelines. There's even a built-in copy assistant that writes headlines, CTAs, and full paragraphs for landing pages or ads. It's similar to using ChatGPT for copy, but the difference is that it's context aware. The system understands your project's color palette, niche, and design style, so the content not only fits visually but tonally. Number three is the AI campaign planner. So this feature is great for marketing teams or freelancers running campaigns for clients. You can input a product or service, choose your goal like lead generation, sales, or brand awareness, and the AI will create a suggested campaign outline. It includes ad copy, visuals, target audience ideas, and a proposed funnel structure. You can then export that directly into your preferred ad platform or integrate it with tools like Meta Ads, Google Ads, or email marketing software. The campaign builder isn't perfect, but it saves a ton of time brainstorming and testing concepts. Number four is the SEO optimization suite. So CodeDesign actually has an SEO assistant built in that audits your website as you build it. It checks for keyword placement, meta description, and headline optimization. Unlike typical SEO tools that give you generic scores, this one adapts to your niche. Number five is integrations and automation. So CodeDesign connects with tools like Zapier, HubSpot, and MailChimp, which means you can automate lead collection, sync forms, and trigger workflows all without coding. If you run an agency, this is where it gets powerful. You can build a website, connect your client's CRM, and have new leads automatically added to email sequences or Slack channels. It's not just a builder, it's a full stack marketing platform that lets you connect the design side with the business side. Now, six is collaboration tools for teams. For agencies and remote teams, CodeDesign makes collaboration very smooth. You can invite clients or teammates to view projects, you can comment on sections, and even make suggestions in real time. There's also version control, so you can roll back to previous designs if a client changes their mind, which, let's be honest, that can happen a ton. This feature alone can save hours of back and forth over email or shared documents. Number seven is the analytics dashboard. So every project in CodeDesign comes with a built-in analytics view. You can track visitor data, traffic sources, click-through rates, and even conversion goals directly from your dashboard. It's not meant to replace Google Analytics, but it gives you quick insights into what's working without needing to set up complex tracking right away. Now that you understand the key features, let's talk about the pros and cons. Then we'll get into the walkthrough and how to get signed up. Let's start off with the pros. The biggest advantage is speed. You can go from a blank page to a fully functional optimized website in a fraction of the time it would take manually. For agencies juggling multiple projects, that's a massive time saver. The second major win is integration. So most AI builders stop at visuals. CodeDesign goes further by combining design, content, and marketing automation in one place. You can create, publish, and connect connect your funnel in a single platform. Another pro is how client-friendly it is. The collaboration tools just make it really easy to involve the clients in the creative process without giving them too much control. They can comment or approve sections without accidentally breaking things. And finally, the SEO and analytics feature just gives you actionable insight right inside your workspace, so you don't have to jump between tools. For small agencies or solo marketers, it's a clean, efficient ecosystem. Now, of course, there are a few areas where CodeDesignAI could improve. So while the AI generative designs are impressive, they're not always perfect. You'll still need to tweak layouts and refine copy for tone or brand consistency. It's a strong starting point, but not a full replacement for human creativity. Second, because the platform tries to do so much from design to automation, it can feel slightly overwhelming at first. The learning curve isn't steep, but it does still take a few days to get comfortable navigating everything. And third, while it's affordable compared to hiring a design team, it's also not the cheapest option if you're only building one website. It's definitely geared more towards professionals, not hobbyists. And lastly, support can be a hit or miss depending on the time zone you're in. They do have a live chat, but responses can take a few hours. Overall, these are small trade-offs considering how much power the tool offers in one place. Let's talk about how to get signed up. So what you're going to want to do is click sign up. You can sign in with Google or just any email and password. Once you are logged in, it's going to ask you some questions. So how do you want to use? If it's for my own business, for clients as agency or freelancer, for a new startup idea, portfolio showcase, or other. Maybe we'll just say for my own business, but if you're an agency, you can do that too. So what I like about it is it's a pretty simple dashboard. So if we want to go ahead and create, we'll go ahead and select the AI website builder. Okay, so now it's going to ask you what type. Since I selected business, I'm going to click business. We can go ahead and enter in what the perfect website is. So you want to make sure you're deciding if it's business, SaaS, my portfolio, or appointments, just to give it even more context. So this is just an example. Ever After Weddings is a wedding planning business that helps couples create beautiful, stress-free celebrations. We handle everything from full planning to day of coordination with a focus on elegance, romance, and personal touches. We'll go ahead and click continue. Then it'll ask us a couple different options. You can do the basic or advanced. We're going to stick with the basic for now. And then you'll type in the business name, the category, the location, and the language. Okay, now we just kind of let it do its thing and wait for it to be done. Amazing. Now that took about 2 minutes and it has completely customized a whole website for us. So what's cool about this is, again, this is a starting point, but you can of course change the theme if you would like. You'll come in here and edit everything. You can regenerate if you would like. You can also, again, see your regenerations here. If you want to edit anything, you just click edit. Okay, so if you want to edit anything, you can come in here and do that. You can edit any of the images, the section. So again, it's just such a great starting point. You can see what it looks like on mobile as well. And again, that looks really good on mobile already. You'll obviously want to input all of your information, of course, but again, it just gives you such a great starting point. And then you'll have everything and all of your websites right here. They do also have templates that you can look at, from websites to funnels. And so you can choose a template and then customize using AI from that template as well. And now I wanted to touch on the different plans and pricing options. So they actually do have a deal that you can get access to, and it's a lifetime access deal. So one website is $97 for lifetime access, and then 3 websites is $199. So again, check that out if you want. Now, they also do have these plans. So if you pay yearly, you can actually save up to 80% off. They also do have a 7-day money back guarantee, which is amazing. So I'm going to share the yearly prices just because that's how you can get the best price possible. But they've got the portfolio plan, which is just $7 per month per site. With this, you get a website, unlimited pages, 100 contacts, 1,000 visitors a month, and then you get some limited AI credits. Then they've got the individual plan, which is $12 per month per site. And again, this is billed annually. You get one website/funnel, unlimited pages, 1,000 contacts, 25,000 visitors a month, payment integration, and regular support. Then they've got the growth plan, which is $24 per month billed annually. You get a website funnel, unlimited pages, 5 collaborators, more contacts, more visitors a month, etc. And then you actually get 1 year free domain with the annual billing as well. Then they've got an agency plan. So you can actually save 80% by paying annually. So it's usually $399 per month, but you actually get it for $83 per month billed annually. With this, you get 100 websites, 100 funnels, 10 collaborators, unlimited pages, 100,000 contacts. You get 2x all features on annual billing. So again, if you want to check out any of these plans, you can 1000% do that by clicking our link down below, and you can save up to 80% off. They do have a monthly amount, but you're just not going to save as much, but you're still saving a bit. But check out the free plan and just play around with it and see how you like it. So who is CodeDesignAI best for? If you're a marketing agency, freelancer, or small business owner who builds multiple sites or campaigns each month, this platform is such a solid fit. For agencies, it cuts down project time and just lets you scale faster without hiring extra developers. You can also offer new services like AI-powered brand audits or website refresh packages, since the platform makes it easy to produce quick results. For freelancers, it's just like having an assistant that helps you deliver projects faster and more professionally. You can still bring your creativity, and the AI just takes care of the repetitive work. Even for small businesses, CodeDesignAI can act as your all-in-one marketing hub. You can build your site, optimize SEO, create content, and connect everything to your CRM without hiring multiple specialists. If you're just starting out or still building your first few clients, the free plan gives you such a good idea of how the platform works. I just wanted to touch on a few bonus tips for using CodeDesignAI effectively before we wrap up. Number 1, start with clear prompts. When you describe your project, be super detailed. The more context you give the AI, like target audience, goal, and brand tone, the better the results are going to be. Number 2 is to customize the AI output. Don't accept the first version it generates. Use the AI as your first draft and then refine the design and copy to fit your brand voice. Think of it as a creative partner, not a finished product. Number 3 is use integrations early. If you're working with clients, connect tools like HubSpot or Zapier right away. It'll automate things like form submission or lead tracking from day one. Number 4 is to test your designs. Before launching, preview your site on desktop and mobile. AI layouts are usually solid, but it's definitely worth double checking spacing and font sizes for smaller screens. Number 5 is keep building within the platform. The more you use CodeDesignAI, the smarter it gets. It remembers patterns in your builds and recommends layouts that match your past projects. Over time, it actually becomes faster and more accurate. These small habits can turn CodeDesignAI from a cool AI tool into a serious productivity tool for your business. As a personal note, I know how overwhelming it can be to try to manage client work, design projects, and marketing all at once, especially if you're doing it solo or with a small team. Tools like CodeDesignAI can really lighten that load. They're not about replacing creativity, they're about freeing up your time to focus on strategy and storytelling instead of tedious setup tasks. If you're ready to get started with CodeDesignAI, don't forget to use our exclusive link in the description below and save up to 80%. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really just helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you discover and master the best SaaS tools for your business, from automation platforms to AI design software and everything in between. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.